Okay, so what we've got here is an early 62 MAS. It's the small crown variant because it has small crown. They were only made like this for the first 2 months, April and May of 1965. This is from May of 1965. It's the Dolphin case-back. It's mostly worn smooth. You can actually see it better in person. It looks a little worn down here because it is. This was someone's watch and they wore it, but they never abused it. It's fully serviced. The movement's beautiful. It's running in the 260s and the 270s, flat and straight with zero beat error. I just love the 6200 series movements. They're awesome. All the lume is original. This is an original Seiko 62 MAS handset. I saved it for years and years and years and years waiting for a watch like this. This is an original rotating ring that, again, I've saved for years and years and years waiting for a watch like this. So that's an original ring with an original insert. It's got some wear around the edges, but it's real and it's original, and the wear level matches the rest of the watch. The case is nice. Top case brushing is still there. Dial lume, all of that is original. The tops of the markers are a little hazy and white. They have, if you look at it really closely, this watch had some moisture on the dial, and so you have just, it's a little look, it has a little bit of a frosted look to it, but they still shine. And again, that lume, all that lume, dial lume, that's all original. I haven't done anything to it. I didn't even clean it. Well, I mean, I cleaned the dial. I didn't have to, like, clean the lume or anything else like that. Get a little black speck there. That's the only one. That's the original signed small crown. I rebuilt this. It's fully rebuilt. These have 2 gaskets in it. Would you believe it? 2 gaskets in this thing, double gaskets. Ring turns smoothly 360 degrees. Just as it ought to. It's a rare variant. It's early. It's in nice condition. It's wearable. And it's for sale. It's up at KleinVintageWatch.com under watches for sale, listed just today. Okay, thank you very, very much.